Guys, in the last class we have seen we have got for the tension the number of bolts as 5 numbers. Okay, so now let's continue the problem. So now in order to find out the various checks in tension, we need to draw the sketch of whatever we have got. Okay, so we have an angle, so please draw it carefully. So see here, this is an angle and this is gusset plate for which we are going to connect the angle, and these 1 2 3 4 5 are the bolts which we got. So now this, so we have already got the pitch and edge distance. So this is 40, this is 50, 50, 50, 50, and yeah, whatever. So we have got this 40. So now this is called as LC. Okay, from center to center of these two bolts, this is an LC which is around about 200, and from this end to this center of the bolt is LV, which is 240. And this is WL 40 and TL 20. And overall angle sizes you have taken 60 by 60. So this becomes 60 and this becomes the side view of it. Okay, this is side view and this is the place where the bolt is been fixed. So this is 60, this is 60, this 8 is thickness. So now check for rupture. From page 33 of IS 800 2007, TDN equals 0.5 ANC FU gamma M1 plus beta AG naught FY by gamma M naught, and this is into 2 because two angles have been placed, this side and that side. Okay, so now what is beta? Beta is calculated from the same page 1.4 0.0076 W by T FU by FY by FU BS by LC, which should be greater than or equal to 0.7, where W is equal to outstanding leg width, that is equal to how much it is now, 60 mm. So this is outstanding leg, this is connected leg. BS is equal to, this is given in the code book itself, minus T. So that is 60 plus 40 minus 8 is equal to 92 mm. LC is equal to 200 mm. So now we can find out beta by using this formula, substituting all these values. So 1.4, 0.0076, W is nothing but 60, T is 8, thickness, Fy is 250, Fu is 410, and 92 by, this is 92 BS, 92 by 200 is AC. So I get beta is equal to 1.24, which is greater than 0.7, and beta value is safe. Okay, so now moving back for the calculation. So you can see in the TDN formula there is ANC and AGO. Okay, so what are those? Let's just see. ANC is nothing but area of connected leg AGO, net area of connected leg ANC. Okay, net area of connected leg, you can write down net area. This is for your purpose. Okay, area of connected leg, and AGO equals gross area of outstanding leg. So it will be there on the code book, the details given, page number 33. Okay, so let's just calculate. So what are AGO and ANC? So coming back for ANC, I'll write it as W minus D naught minus T by 2 into T. So this is ANC. You have to keep this in your mind. So W into D naught. Okay, so it's the net area. This is net area, right? So I have to remove the diameter of bolt from it, bolt hole, minus T by 2. So see here, net area of connected leg. So 1 second, I'll just mute my or silent my phone. Okay, now, so this is connected leg. Okay, connected legs area. So this I'll take up till this area runs up till here. Okay, so this, you might understand this. This is the area what I should consider except this part. So what I have to do, so this total length, from that I have to remove bolt hole, and I have to remove this much of distance, that is half of thickness. So that's what I'm doing here. You can see here W width. Okay, width is 60. I have considered it as 60. So 60 is total width, minus from that I have removed bolt hole dia, minus 8 by 2, that's bottom thickness, whatever I have shown, that is the length into thickness will give you the area. So 272 mm square is the ANC. Now AGO, it's a gross area, means without any deductions. So it's W, but still this is outstanding leg. From this outstanding length until this center, not total this, you have to exclude this part now. So from 60 you have to remove thickness, half of the thickness. That's what I am doing. So W minus T by 2, here there is no any bolt hole, into T. So therefore 60 minus 8 by 2 into 8, I get it as 448 mm square. Okay, so now I can easily find out TDN equals 0.9 into 272 into 410. I am substituting back all the values. 1.25 plus 1.24 into 448, that's beta value, 448 into 250 divided by 1.10 into 2, because two angles are there. So it's 413.09 kilonewton. So this is greater than, I think the 311 is the load carried by member. So if our design member can carry this much of load, easily it can carry the load which is coming on it. So this is one of the check. Then other check will check in the next class. Thank you.